This is the Bowflex Model 552 all-in-one dumbbell system. It is unique in that it is completely enclosed in its own cradle and can use weights from 5 pounds to 52.5 pounds. For example, if you want to use a 10-pound dumbbell, you would dial the right-hand dial to 10 and the left-hand dial to 10. Then when you pick up on the handle, you have a 10-pound weight. The remaining weights stay in the cradle for future use. Now, if you want to increase the weight of the dumbbell that you're using, you replace the cradle, the handle in the cradle, and dial the right-hand dial, such as to 15, and the left-hand dial to 15. Now, when you pick up the weight, you will have a 15-pound weight, and the remaining weights are still in the cradle. This is quite a simple system in that you do not need any other storage for the rest of the weights because they remain in the cradle. And it is very simple to use. You just dial the weight that you wish to use and pick up the handle, and you can dial from anywhere from 5 pounds to 52.5 pounds. It is a simple system and it is very compact.